This mood should be there. Sometimes we are distracted from that mood and cultivating devotional service and feeling helpless, hopeless. And always we can see from Acharya's teachings, also in Acharya's life history, how they are surrender always. Oh Lord, I am just like a puppet in your hand. And so if you have brought me here to dance, then make me dance. Make me dance, oh Lord. Make me dance as you like. This is nature of a surrender soul. As you like. This is very important. We want confirmation what Krishna like. What is Krishna's desire? Always we are worried. I have this plan, I have this project. Okay, I am struggling with my material life, with my spiritual life in this way. Krishna knows better than us. How we are struggling, what is our problem, and what is its root cause. Krishna knows. Better not focusing on these points. Rather, we have to take shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna. Krishna, you know better. You just take care of me. I want to serve you. This surrenderness is very important. Although you ask to anyone, he can say, okay, you chant Hare Krishna. You may hear Krishna Katha. You may perform Navada Bhakti. You ask to any devotee, he will preach about 9 limbs of devotional service. But what is the secret? Srimad Bhagavatam, this is in Prahlad Maharaj's teachings. You can find Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Padasevanam Archanam Mandaram Dasya Sakhyatma Nivedanam Iti Punsarpita Vishnu Bhakti Chetana Avalakhyana. Iti Punsarpita Vishnu. This is very important. In that commentary, Sridhar Swami said, first you should surrender, then perform devotional activities. First you have to surrender. With surrender mood, we have to chant. Krishna, I am your. Then we have to chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Or Pitaha, the word is there. Krishna Pitaha. Iti Punsar Pita Vishnu. In other processes, they offer their results later when they achieve perfections. Like Karma Kanda, they perform yajnas. Later they said, Vishnu, I want to offer these things to you. They are giving result, but in devotional life, first we have to surrender ourselves. First. With surrender mood, then we have to cultivate devotional life. Sridhar Swami said, this thing is in commentary.